Welcome to March Madness, your Miami Association of Realtors interactive calendar for the month of March. Today's service, we feature Property Panorama. Ever wonder where these beautiful virtual tours come from? It's simple. It's your Property Panorama. Each member gets a 5-picture slideshow automatically created and added to your MLS listing under the virtual tour link. Property Panorama has information on your listing, schools in the area, and even the ability to share via email or social media by selecting one of the social media links. Property Panorama is also located inside of your matrix external links by selecting the Property Panorama link. Once inside, you can upgrade your account for unlimited virtual tours with unlimited pictures. This is just one of the many different services offered to members and in your March interactive calendar. We want to thank you for watching and thank you for being a Miami member.